Yes, hello guys, this is Logiri FX representing right about now. In this video, I want to show you things that happen in the market every day that you can grab opportunities from, and I'm going to show you about structures that are broken. Let us say continuation or reversal structures. There are different types that are formed always. There are always there's the triangle, there's triangle patterns, there are the pendant flags, then there are the rectangle patterns that are formed every time you look into the charts. You're going to see something forming, consolidating, and then breaking that structure. Okay, yeah, so it's a simple way of looking at the market, and you realize every time there's a consolidation, there's going to be a break of structure, and when it breaks, it retests, or when it breaks, it builds up before it makes a continuation upwards or downwards, depending on the market structure. So all these patterns are visible in your trade. Every time you want to have a look at them, you'll always find them. We're going to keep marking. I'm not going to teach you of any other things. We only have 10 minutes for this small video. Yeah, we're starting from anywhere. I'm going to show you something. Everywhere you see market breaking downwards or upwards movement, you realize there was a trend formation. There was a structure that was formed. For example, we're looking at this. You can see something formed here, right? Yes, look at this. Then there was this. And what happened? Price kept on moving between here, and then it dropped down, continuing downwards. Yeah, you can keep on checking others. Let me look for some where price dropped heavily. Let us see. Something always happens. Something always does what happens. You can see here there was this key level where price came back to and then broke out. Yeah, that was this key level. You can see that, yeah, and there was a continuation upwards. Let us continue. I'll keep showing them to you. They don't happen every time. If you see any impulsive movement, there are other conditions that make it move. Maybe it has maybe there's a fair value gap which is responding to, or some unmitigated order block and all that. But others are going to show you how structure was broken. You can see here there were these two. Price came here upwards and started reacting funny between these key zones, creating this kind of trend line, and then after it broke this trend line and there was an impulsive movement. Then again you can see there was another consolidation within here. You can see here there was another one, okay, before another upward movement again, right? Yeah, you can have a look at it. It keeps happening. It keeps happening everywhere in the market. We're going back. I'm going to keep showing you very many of them, and if you're very careful at seeing all these things, it will help you to know what is happening in the market and what are you going to do about that. You wait for a break of structure, either continuation or a reversal. Simple. There's also this. There's this. You can see upward movement again. There was the price came here from this key zone. It came here, consolidated a little bit, and then broke through as a continuation. It even came back and retested, break and retested this level, continuing back upwards. Wow, you can see. So if you check through your chart, you're going to find them over and over and over and over. They are all there, right? Yeah, let me see more. There's more. Today I just want to show you these trend lines being broken, and something always crazy happens. So the longer it consolidates, the higher the chances of breaking through heavily. Heavily. Let's look at this. If you understand how structures are broken, then trust me, you should know about these chart patterns, the pendant flags, the triangles, the ascending, the descending triangles, and the the head and shoulder, all that. All we are looking at is breaking these consolidations, when how price breaks through them. Every time you see price consolidating, you should be able to wait and be patient and wait for that moment when it is going to break through, either on a reversal or as a continuation throughout. As we said, backtesting is very important for you to see how these things work. If you've been trading trend lines, there are trends inside trends, and you can see how price played around. You see any funny consolidation, there's going to either be a change of structure or a continuation, a reversal or a continuation. You can see how price came here, consolidated here, and boom, went back upwards. Crazy things. Yeah, just monitor these things. I'm not saying this is the only way you're going to see, but this is one of these are one of the ways you can know that something is about to happen in the market. There are so many ways, so many things to look at when you're in this market, but if all these things, if the other one fails, you'll get to another one. You see, like this, coming from up here, consolidating, created a small trend line here with support and resistance here, and consolidating within here, and boom, downwards. So crazy movements. You can monitor all these things every time you look at the market. Look at the chart patterns if you can identify them. Look at candlestick formations if you can identify them. Look at the trend lines. You realize from higher time frames, when you're doing the top down analysis, you realize all these key zones you're drawing, and the trend lines you're going to find there, they also have smaller trend lines inside them. So this is where the concept of the trend in trends comes in. That's why this could be in a bigger time frame. This is 1 hour. In a bigger time frame, this could be another trend, a bigger trend, but inside it now, you see, we're in 1 hour, we are seeing smaller trends, smaller trend lines. We're drawing them. These are just small trend in trends. You see how some movement happens, the consolidation, a massive impulsive movement, right? Another smaller one here, moves upwards. So you have to be careful. Trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting, being patient, your discipline, your psychology, your risk management in everything. So I'm not saying these are creme de la creme strategies and maybe ways of finding how the market behaves, but no, we're just trying to tell you that these are one of the ways of how to identify the next moves of the market. Every time there's a strong consolidation, please just know there is going to be a strong pullback, a reversal, or a continuation. Peace. My name is Logiri Forex, and I represent Fully. Thank you very much.